I'm on the video. That's nice.
Oh, hit me in my head. Oh.
Here.
This is hot.
It is. I want to do it.
This is
Can I do it on yours, Sassy? Can I do it on yours?
Tilt your hands that way too. It helps.
Oh, hit me in my head again.
Tilt your hands that way, like your whole body. Your hands. Use your hands.
Go like this.
Hey, whoever uses it, because I have two new ones. She already has one. One's pink and one's green. This one that's white and pink is Kendall's. This is the new pink one. And
I have one.
the blue one you said?
No, that's Alyssa's.
Oh, it's listed. So you either get a pink or a green.
I want the pink one.